Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Video. So in today's video, I'm going to start getting this door ready to be demoed out, and then start putting my studs and the headers and all that good stuff in, trim and foam, everything. But I've done quite a bit off camera just as far as prep, thinking, making sure I'm getting the right materials for my exterior trim, and to make sure that where I'm going to put the door height wise compared to my sub level and depth wise compared to my wall cavity, made sure I'm going to be able to put it exactly where I want it, and then get it trimmed out right so it lines up with my vinyl and it's good for my drywall, which I'm going to go ahead and put 5/8 inch drywall on, and I'll explain that in a future video. So with this video, and I might couple this with another one when I finish the whole thing, but I'm going to kind of work on getting my king stud in. I'll probably go ahead and cut a jack stud because I know the height that needs to be on this side from that bottom plate. And I'm going to go ahead and make my header, and then probably cut that piece out up here because it's just nailed in a few spots to get it out of the way. It's in the way of my header. And if I can, I'll try to go ahead and cut this stud out of the way as well. So I'm just going to kind of get to work. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Questions, comment section. When the video's over, go check out some of the other content.